Syofyani Dance and Music Ensemble presents
Syofyani's Dance and Music Ensemble is the oldest studio in West Sumatra. Already teach dance and music nearly 350 children each year from the age of 6 to 18 years. The 70s, the pentatonic to lempong talents are improved into diatonic scales. So, traditional Minangkabau musical instruments can accompany any type of music in the world. Lempong Syofyani's Dance and Music Ensemble, complete with the method book of its use also in the Traditional Montoire Museum, in France. Until now, Lempong Syofyani's Dance and Music Ensemble, in use both in special education music and dance groups who predicated Minangkabau. Some dance of Syofyani's copyrighted works sign in the Curriculum Art School in West Sumatra. In 2017, for his work and his devotion to the art of tradition, Syofyani Yusuf received an award in the field of culture of the President of the Republic of Indonesia. Syofyani's Dance and Music Ensemble with his work also assisted UN peacekeeping force units in Sudan with a cultural approach in maintaining world peace.
Ba din din